Hello friends, welcome back to my channel IT Parivar. So guys, in this video today we will learn how to stop automatic Windows update using group policy. So I'll show you step by step how we can stop automatic Windows update using group policy. But before going ahead, I want to request you, if you are a new user for my channel IT Parivar, please subscribe just to motivate me, just to support me, and don't forget to click on bell icon so that whenever I'll upload the new videos you will get the new videos notification. Let's start now. So suppose you are using Windows client machine or any Windows server, and if you want to stop automatic update using group policy, so I can show you how you can do that. So this is my Windows 10 machine and this is joined to domain. Okay, let me show you. See, this computer name is ABC and the fully qualified domain name for this computer is abc.itparivar.lan. That means this machine is joined to itparivar.lan domain. Okay, and we'll try to stop automatic update by configuring group policies. Okay, so let me jump on my domain controller. So this is my domain controller. You can see the domain name is itparivar.lan and this server, this Active Directory server is DC. Its name is DC. Okay, so let me open group policy management console now. So I have few policies here, but I am going to create new group policy for the disabling Windows update. So I am going to name it here like stop auto Windows update. Click to OK. You can see under group policy object, this stop auto Windows update policy has been created. Now I am going to configure this. Just right click on this, click to edit, and then go to computer configuration, expand policies, expand Windows, expand administrative template, then go to Windows components and click here standard, scroll down. Here you can see Windows update. Just double click on this and then you will be able to see here one option, configure automatic updates. Okay, double click on this. What you need to do, you need to just select, if you enable this option, like we have multiple options like auto download and notify for install, auto download and schedule install, allow local admin to choose settings, but we have to stop the automatic update, so we'll disable it. Okay, you can see here the details, like what will be happen if we'll disable. Let me show you. If the status of policy is set to disable, any updates that are available on Windows Update must be downloaded and installed manually. To do this, search Windows Update using start. Okay, so once we'll select this to disable, any updates will not installed automatically. We have to install updates by downloading manually. Okay, either by pushing through SCCM, okay, or download the update manually and installed. Okay, so let us go with this option, disable, apply, and then okay. There is one more option like to do not connect to internet for an update. Do not, let me see here, you can see do not connect to any Windows Update internet location. So let us enable this one also. So you have to enable this option. Okay, enable. Once you will enable, this computer I mean, the computer will not able to connect to the internet any Windows update service for getting or for downloading the updates from the internet. Okay, so let's enable this and click to apply, and then okay. So to stop the automatic updates, we have to enable these two settings. First one is configure automatic updates as disabled, and the second, do not connect to any Windows update internet location, enabled. Okay, let me close this. And now as we have this computer and we are going to apply this policy for this computer, which name is ABC. So what we'll do, let me open here Active Directory users and computers, and let me see where this computer is. So you can see this computer is ABC computer is under IT team OU. Okay, so if you want to disable the automatic Windows update for all your environment system, servers, client machines, you can just link to the root label here, that policy. Or if you want to apply the policy, or if you want to stop the automatic updates for few specific computers, you can apply to those computers respective OU. So let me close this or minimize this. And as that system ABC system or computer was in IT team OU, so either I can link here that policy, or I can link to the domain level or root level. So if I'll link here to the root level, this will be effective for all the computer servers or client machines, whatever we have in this domain itparivar.lan. So it's up to you. If you are going to disable automatic updates for few specific servers only or client machines only, you have to apply to the link that policy to the server or client machine respective OU. Okay, so here I am going to link that group policy which we created for stopping automatic updates. So just right click, link an existing GPO, and select this stop auto Windows update. So in same way, you have to configure the group policy, create group policy, configure group policy, and then you have to link that group policy to your server computer respective OU. Okay, you can also, as I already told, you can also link to the root label here, link an existing, but if we'll link here, it will be effective for all domain joined computers, machine, servers. Okay, so I hope this is clear to you. Now let us do one thing. As we already linked this group policy for this OU, IT team OU, and we have this computer which was under IT team OU. So now let us open CMD and run here gp update /force on the gp update on your domain controller. In same way, go to the client machine. If you want to quickly affect the policy, then you have to run gp update force, otherwise it will be policy will be get applied automatically after few minutes or few hours. It's depend on your network, or it's depend on your infrastructure. So for now I'm going to click, I'm going to run here gp update /force, and once it will be completed, we'll check if that automatic stop group policy has been applied to this computer or not. Okay, so you can see both computer policy update has completed, user policy has completed successfully. Now we'll check if that policy is getting applied or not. So I'll open here rsop.msc by going to the run menu. and then it is taking some time. Yeah, as we configured that group policy under computer configuration, so under computer configuration, we'll right click on this computer configuration, go to properties, and you can see here it is saying now stop auto windows update. That means the group policy is getting applied on this computer successfully. So now if anyone will try to update, he cannot be I mean, system will not automatically update the Windows update, or it will not download the update automatically, right? What we can do, we can check this also. Just go to the client machine and type here update, click to here check for updates option, and you will be able to see here. Once you'll go to the Windows update, view configure, some settings are managed by your organization, you can see here. So once group policy will be get applied to the your client machine, you will be able to see this option, some settings are managed by your organization. Once we'll click to here view configuration update, you can see disable automatic update and set automatic updates option, right? So you can see disable automatic updates, source is administrator, type group policy. Okay, that means the group policy is getting applied successfully and this computer will not update automatically, okay, because we already disabled automatic updates using group policy. So guys, I hope this video will be helpful for you and it's clear to you how we can how you can disable the automatic Windows updates using group policy. Thanks for watching IT Parivar. Please subscribe, like and share with your friends. Bye bye.